Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of right video in our YouTube right Academy channel. Okay, so I think we already posted one video right about ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT right in a better way. Okay, so we saw some basic things. So I thought of right miss something in that video. I thought of right adding some more thing so that people who are learning newly will be very useful for us. Okay, there are a lot of people struggle in troubleshooting lot of issues, right? So that might this video might help them. But many people they mostly you know how to use the chat gpt. I'm very sure that they all know how to use the chat gpt, but the people who don't know, right, this video might be helpful to you, those who are freshers, right? So it might be very useful. Suppose, right, some person is trying for a job, right? He is asking what are the questions need to be asked in interview. Right, you can search in chat gpt. Okay, so name interview questions, right? So if you ask, right, right interview questions, like if you give it, right, so you'll get all the interview questions of cell name and you can study and you can learn it. Okay, so it will say it is segregating like basic questions, right, intermediate questions and advanced questions and real time scenario based questions, right? You can get all these questions, right, so that you can learn and write take a copy and you can learn and you can try for an interview. Okay, so this chat gpt plays a very important role, right? An important role that helps, right, lot of testers, those who are working in real time and also searching for a job. You can see, right, it's taking intermediate questions, right, basic questions, advanced questions with answers also. It's taking, right, you can learn, right, and study and prepare for an interview or commonly asked questions. You can rephrase the words so that you get a lot of questions so that you are preparing well for an interview. Suppose, right, a person is searching for a resume, right, resume automation, right, experience resume, experience person, right, wants to right change his resume, right? You can right help with the help of, right, and you can try and get a resume, right, automation, right? You get a good right sample template, right, so that you can use it, right? See, it tells linkedin profile, jitter profile, any portfolio have, right, email id, phone number, professional summary and the skill set, right? It's a different skill set. You can use the current trend skill set, right? What are things you can be ready, right? It clearly so tells according to the current market demands. Okay, next one is right professional summary, right, and professional experience, project experience, any achievements you made in a project. You can add all the things, right, in your resume. Okay, so you should make a very effective resume so that, right, companies they come and search for you, right? So if you go and searching, right, companies should come and search for you and pick you. So make sure the resume is very effective and it includes everything, all the project, education, certifications, right, achievements you have in your project, right, all the skill set needed, and you should talk about your company and your everything. Okay, so make sure you are doing that. Okay, but also you can in real time world, right? For example, I prepared a library class. I want to refactor it or I want to check it whether I prepared a correct library class or not. Okay, I can copy the code and I can get an updated code. Okay, so ChatGPT will refactor it and it will give you an accurate code, so you will get an updated code. If any issues is there, right, it's going to solve it and you can get an updated code of that also. This way you can right eliminate the issues which you created in your code with the help of the chat gpt. Okay, and suppose, right, there is any errors coming in your project. Okay, you can copy the error and you can paste it and right you can get right um, solve the error with the help of the chat GPT. This also it helps in a very effective way, right, to prepare, right, to just solve your issues also if you are using chat gpt. Okay, so this is a very good tool for to solve all the issues, right? It tells in a step by step manner, right, to fix all the issues, right? You can use this one. Okay. Next one is right. Like suppose you can create user stories, you can create test cases. For example, I want to write Ola app mobile test cases. Right, I can get with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so you can get right the right with the template also you can get it. So this you can do it right. This you can you do for automation for an end-to-end scenario, right? We can use it. Okay, suppose right I want a reusable code, okay, of swipe gesture. Okay, I'm just doing right. I'm doing AP videos, so I'm just doing this one. Okay, swipe gesture, right, in APM. Okay, reusable code of swipe gesture, like so you can rephrase your keyword so that you are getting the appropriate answer. Okay, so if you give it right, so you can get right, you can get the reusable code of the swipe gesture also. Okay, so by this way you can use ChatGPT in effective way, so that you can write here right, uh, we solve the things in a better way. Okay, suppose you want a resignation mail. Okay, so you want to give a resignation mail, you're putting a resignation mail for a tester, right? Just you can do for tester. Okay, suppose you want to send a resignation mail, I'm just telling, right? So you can get these things everyone knows, right? But still those who are right freshers, who are struggling in small basic things, right, they can use right the chat gpt. Okay, cover letter, right, for example, cover letter for sending resume. Okay, suppose you want to write send a resume, right? You want a cover letter for this. Okay, so you can get a cover letter. Okay, so you can send this text in a mail and you can post your resume also. Okay, so in this way ChatGPT plays a very vital role. So you can use small things, right? Like for example, you are sending a mail to a manager, you don't want to phrase your sentence. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT, right, right, send a chat, right, send a right issue on my teams to manager, right? You can use for non-technical purpose and also technical purpose. There's lot of students or freshers, they face issues in sending a mail. Okay, so you can use this, right? You can just write if you have a teams issue, and you can write copy this but some things right, emotional things, right, you should able to edit it. But this one right, this one show you an emotion, right? Sometimes, right, sometimes you might able to rephrase by yourself, right? Some sentence, right, in my academy, right, I asked one person to type something, give just a two line something he asked, right? He used chat gpt and texted and copied and pasted for a just very simple thing, right? Always for everything you don't need to use the chat gpt. For very professional official things, right, you can use the chat GPT, but very basic you can use your normal english to do it. So that will be more meaningful and emotional. There's something, right, maybe like something more realistic, and rather telling emotional, it will be very realistic if you type something. Okay, so right, hope you this video is very useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Right, there are a lot of AI tools, right? You can explore a lot of tools, right? Nowadays AI is currently very demanding in market. Okay, learn it and use it in a better way. Right, have a great future ahead. Thank you, bye.